Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Winterwoods stamp set. I know, it's a surprise. I've been working with this bundle for a week now, and I have a class going on right now till November the 5th, utilizing the bundle, and there's just so many things that you can do with this stamp set and die. And today I'm going to show you a really unique one, but it's super simple. So this is a Post-it removable labeling tape, and it's a 2-inch like Post-it note sticky. So it's just like a tape, and it has the stickiness of a Post-it note. So I am masking off 1 inch on the bottom and 1.5 inches on the top, and I am sponging on my inks. So this is a slow process. I've obviously sped this up and cut a lot out. So I wanted you to see the actual final, well, of course you're going to see the final outcome, but it does take a while. So you're probably more interested on the colors that I used. So I used So Saffron, Fleur de Flamingo, Gorgeous Grape, and Blueberry Bushel. And I'm always tapping off my ink off to the side before I attach it, before I put it on my project. And obviously it took a little bit to blend those colors all together. But I will say this, once the blending has been done, the results are so fantastic that you don't mind the work. So I know people have said, oh goodness, you know, you're such a blender. I wish I could blend like you. You can too. Go softly, and it takes a while. And that's all. It just takes a little bit of practice. All right, so I'm inking up my tree stamp with StazOn ink, and I inked it up really well, and I made sure to hold that stamp a little bit and let the ink absorb into the paper. And I'm going along the whole strip of this, and I'm thinking that this is more of a dusk scene. So I have stamped the sentiment in the same black for continuity, and now I am trimming the thinking of you part of the sentiment out, and that's what I'm going to keep. Now I'm going to put foam adhesive strip on the back, and then I'm just adhering it to the front of my card. And that's how simple this card is, although it's stunning, right? I love sponging, and I encourage you all to try it. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.